Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Tuesday the 8th of April and as you can see I am here on the car park bridge filming the Blackpool Street demolition, and today I've got an actual tripod so we can just zoom right in here to where Skylar is working. And I don't even have to hold the camera anymore. So yeah, we can go in a bit further. And we can also go up to Daisy. We can go up a bit. This is a really, and we can move side to side. And this is a really posh tripod. So let's go out a little bit. There we go. At the moment, Desmond isn't doing much, he's just still in the corner, but I think somebody may be getting into Desmond's truck, drive a bit in a minute. It looks like somebody's walked around there and maybe climbing in. For now, we've just got Skylar working, and it looks like he's just digging. But we're going to stay here and film a while, seeing as I have got my posh tripod. The water cannon is on, so maybe they'll be giving a little bit of pull down. Let me just see if I can, there we go, up to Daisy. I'm just learning this. This will be really good once I get the hang of it, folks. That's better, isn't it? Yeah, so we're just going to stay on there. It's so much easier to have the camera just on the tripod and not have to hold it steady. Because, not so fun fact, I've been getting a really painful shoulder, and I thought I'd pulled a muscle somewhere because my shoulder and my left arm was all sore, and it's just been really achy for a few days now. And I think I don't know, maybe it's like repetitive strain because I'm just holding the camera so steady all the time. So I thought today I'd use a tripod. This is the one that actually belonged to my son, so this was in his room with all his other equipment, so I've borrowed this. We're going to use a tripod now, guys. Desmond is actually working now, but he just looks like he's gathering up all the metal bits to put it in the stick. So we could be just on, guys, a tidying up day, or a tidying up morning. I'm going to go out a little bit because Skylar's about to drive out of frame, and we've got Desmond here. So there's Desmond doing his bit. Where's he going to put that? He's just leaving it there for now, that's alright. Desmond, you just pop that there. That's fine. Excuse me, got a bit of a frog in my throat there. I think this is looking good with the tripod. We've got some nice steady footage. Definitely easier, folks, so I can just leave it on and record and not have to constantly hold it. Desmond's around there, now he's picking up from there. I think what they're doing now, especially Skylar, I think they're just getting like the ground ready. So they've got that nice platform area so they can get to the back half of these buildings, especially the higher bits. Desmond's still just picking and grabbing and tidying up down here. He's just got his grabber on and he's picking up junk and tidying up the site in general. So Desmond's tidying up and Skylar is preparing, I think. We might not see a lot of demolition today, folks, but I mean that's alright. Go on, Skylar, get away from those trees so we can see you properly. Is he changing his head? Skylar might be changing his head. Yes. Or is he? Yeah, when he tips his head upwards like that, that normally means it's going to change. Yeah, he's dropped off that scooter. So let's see what head he's going to pick next. We look like we've got the grabby one on, so we might, maybe he's going to do some crunching. I don't think he's going to do some demolishing. Desmond's got quite a decent reach, hasn't he? He can really stretch the arm out. So much better. Excuse me, I've got quite a frog in my throat this morning. Sorry. Yeah, this is so much better with the tripod because I can just move it around so much more easily. Oh no, Desmond's getting a new head as well. What head are you going to choose, Desmond? It's like somebody's having a quick word. Let's go out again. Look at that, folks. Tripod power. I'm going up in the world. Still got my same old camera, but I'm a little bit more professional today. Got his bucket scooper on. Desmond over there scooping and Skylar over on this side, who appears to be crunching stuff, but we can't really see because his head is hidden. But I suspect he's crunching away the concrete of all that rebar. Shall we zoom in for a bit and go see if we can get a dramatic shot? I'm struggling with the tripod a bit. That didn't end well, did it? Well folks, I am going to end this video now because it's getting a little bit on the long side, but I will stick around and do another one. But for now, as always, I'm just going to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall be right back with the next one. Goodbye.